Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, back for my post-market wrap-up on this lovely day. Every day is lovely. You should embrace it, or at least try to make the best of it. Wouldn't you agree? Thursday, May 17, 2018. All right, so here's the story. Very evident to me, and it should be to you, if you are even keeping one eye open here, looking at the stock market, looking at the bond market. I hate saying this, but it's the truth, and it's there's a line in the sand here. 3.1, 3.11. Stock market does not like this. I mean, let's put a perspective on this. For now a decade, the Federal Reserve has artificially suppressed interest rates, making sure those bond yields stay low. By doing this, they've caused cash to move into places where it has no business going and coming out of places where it should be going into. We also have, in our face rigging of certain aspects of this market. Nothing is real. Stocks struggled all day. They opened higher, fell, went higher again at one point, finished in the negative, all three major indices, and the markets are waiting. I think this is what I think they're waiting for some word from a Fed official. Yesterday, incredible. Bullard came out trying to ease tensions in the market. Didn't really do too much. They're going to have to send out a bigger gun, or several of these very nice people, Federal Reserve presidents, one of these characters in front of the camera, to kind of ease the market and say, "Oh, don't worry, we're gonna take care of everything." That's what the market needs to hear. But again, the Fed cannot have it both ways. They can't do it. They could get in here and they could buy up those bonds here. They're gonna distort the yield curve even further, and I think that's their worry. Look, people, they've created world central banks, not just our Federal Reserves, because they're all colluding with each other, because they're doing the same. Do any one of you out here find it maybe strange that all of the world central banks, all of the world major economy central banks are doing the same things? You think this is just a random act, like, I don't know, some mysterious thing that just happens to be taking place at the same time? I know you're not that stupid. They are coordinating this. They've been coordinating this for quite a long time. They know for a fact that they have created a financial Frankenstein that is literally has the world in its grips. And it's going to unwind in a very, very disruptive way at one particular time. But we're going to watch this. This is a pivotal point, in my opinion, this bond market action. And all day I waited for them to jump in here and start buying, and they did not do that. That says something to me, and it should say something to you as well. There's going to be a point here when they realize that they've gotten as many people as they can, because that's what this is all about. It's a wealth transfer. When they come to the conclusion, and I think they're close now, that they've gotten as many people as they can on the long side of this market, that means can only make cash if the market goes higher, that's when they rip the plug out of the wall. Those people, they're stuck, they're locked into some type of a fund, they don't know any better, their fund managers don't know any better, is going to let everything melt down, and there goes the wealth transfer. All the Wall Street banks, the world's largest banks, are prepared for this. They will be the first ones out the door. Be first, be smarter, or cheat. Does that sound familiar to any of you out here? Well, it should. And that is the law of the jungle on Wall Street. All right, with that said, I can't wait for tomorrow for several reasons. It's Friday. I need the weekend off. and 2, it's going to be even more lovely than it was today. See you in the morning.